Hello students, my name is Piyush Sugreti and today I will teach you operation on large numbers. And the subtopic is multiplication and division. Multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. The number which is to be repeated or multiplied is called the multiplicand. The number which express how often the multiplicand is repeated is called the multiplier. For example, 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 4 into 3 equal to 12. It means 4 is repeated in 3 times and it gives the product 12. Example B, here the 2 is repeated in 5 times. So it gives product 10. 2 5s are 10. Now properties of multiplication. The first property is changing the order of factors does not change the product. Example 4 into 3 equal to 3 into 4 equal to 12. It shows when we change the order of the factors. So the both numbers give same product, like 4 3s are 12 and 3 4s are 12. So this property shows changing the order of factor does not change the product. Property number 2, the product of any number and 1 is the number itself. Example 13 into 1 equal to 1 into 13 equal to 13. It shows when we multiply any number with 1, the product is the number itself. So this property is also so that the product of any number and 1 is the number itself. Property number 3, changing the grouping of factors does not change the product. Example, here we have 3 numbers 2, 4 and 9. So we make the group of 4 and 9. So 4 9s are 36 and then we multiply by 2, it gives product 72. Now we change the group of the number. Here we take 2 and a 4. 2 4s are 8 and then we multiply by 9, it gives 72. 9 8s are 72. So this property shows changing the grouping of factor does not change the product. Property number 4, the product of any number and 0 is 0. Example 1254 multiply by 0. So the product is 0. So this property shows the product of any number is 0 if the number multiply by 0. Now division. Repeated subtraction is known as division. The number to be divided is called the dividend. The number which divides is called the divisor and the result obtained is called the quotient. The number remaining in the end is called the remainder. Properties of division. Property number 1, dividing a number by itself is equal to 1. Example 17 divided by 17 equal to 1. Property number 2, dividing 0 by any number is equal to 0. Example 0 divided by 45 equal to 0. Property number 3, dividing a number by 1 is equal to the number itself. Example 34 divided by 1 equal to 34. Property number 4, dividing any number by 0 is not defined. Example 57 divided by 0 is not defined. In exercise, I give some questions so you do it yourself.